when you don't script is you get boiling water with shit in it.
Hey y'all, Sam's being mean.
I am not being mean. I don't know where the gummy bears are. We need freaking gummy bears to shoot this video.
This is Micah, who who is it that changed their name today?
Calvin was gonna change his name.
Yeah, Calvin, this was you, and now you're. I don't know who you are now. You're nobody to me now. And Urza, hi.
All right, listen. I was mean to Urza. I gotta give him like a little hug.
Oh yeah, sorry Urza. We know we pissed you off. We still love you.
We do.
Wait, who's it? Oh, Aiden. Hi. Are you still Aiden? Or are you Lexi now?
Wait, wasn't he green the last time?
I don't know.
Okay, anyway.
And here's Flecky, but sorry, Flecky, we're not using you today. But we're like missing our 3-pound bag of gummy bears, and we're really not sure where it is, so we can make the rest of everyone. There's no Llewellyn or Stromboli or Auburn. I don't know. So
let me ask Blake.
We have to go and figure them out. But look, do you like how I made you each a little flag? Oh, yay. Cool. Okay. Bye, guys.
Blake, do you know where the gummy bears are?
Oh, dude, no, I don't. This is cake.
Does
this look like gummy bears to you?
No, I know it's birthday cake. It's your birthday, but have you seen the gummy bears?
No.
Okay.
I have not seen the gummy bears.
Dude, what is... Did you put freaking Justin Bieber on Ursula's monitor again?
Baby.
You know what she's gonna do when she finds out.
No.
Oh my god. Okay, whatever.
No.
Okay, so you don't know where the gummy bears are?
No.
Alright, you should do something about Justin Bieber. That shit is not cool.
Yeah, I'm not taking it off in a while.
Hey, Ursa.
What the fuck is it?
Do you know where the gummy bears are? Are you okay? Holy shit.
Fuck you, gummy bears! Go to hell!
I don't
What the fuck is it?
I don't think that's appropriate behavior.
Shut up! You're getting it, gummy bears!
That was funny. Okay, so apparently Sam has demon children, or at least one of them. And strangely enough, her name is Ursula.
Who did it in this room here? Oh, God damn it! Was it you? Was it you? No, it's not him. Someone tells me where this gummy bear hides.
Uh-oh.
It was him. He did it.
Okay, well, the gummy bear died anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. Scroll my fucking life. What the fuck, dude? I'm taking this off screen. Come here. Come here, you dickhead. This will not be able to be viewed on camera because this was going to be totally inappropriate. Bye-bye now.
It's gonna be totally fucked up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fucking
Hope you enjoyed this video.
damn it.
I hope I can see you next time. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Blake.
Bye.
You have a tumor.
It means stop recording.
Wait, but I don't know. I mean...
Wait a second. There is something seriously wrong here. Where did he even...
What? Get up!
I didn't fucking do it.
Get right, bitch. You do it all the time.
No.
Are we done?
Bye-bye. See you later. Damn you. Fuck my life.